Committee President Ramon Magsaysay, Carl Joseph Villabrec, Castilleros Zambales.
I just want to know, since the reigning Miss Grand Philippines, I'm here. Since the reigning Miss Grand Philippines lives in Casillas, Zambales, do you feel any pressure that you are also representing Casillas, Zambales at Mr. Grand Philippines 2024?
Actually, I feel pressure right now that CJ is won Mr. Grand Philippines. Pero sa yun sa binibigyan mo lakas na kailangan kong gawin ito at dapat kong gawin ito para maitaguyod ko ang aming municipality at maging katulad ni CJ na Miss Next Mr. Grand Philippines.
Thank you so much. I know you can do it.